Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Solid Edge tutorials how to edit title block. As example, I will create new draft, and as default you can see we have this sheet with size F2. If you want to change the sheet size, you can go to Solid Edge icons and then click settings, click sheet setup. As example, I will change into A4. You can click in here and you can set into A4. Background set to A4 like this, and if you done, you can click OK. So the sheet automatically changes into A4. Now, how to edit this title block? You can go to View tab and click Background. We be sure for sheet A4, A3, A2, and A1. So in here we use A4, so you can click this A4 sheet. The next I will double click in here to edit, like example. And if you're done, you can click again background, and the sheet will be automatically changed for this title block. Okay, that's it, how to edit title block in Solid Edge. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.